Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome to the session. आज आपने जो देखी, which was nothing but a volatility. But if you have noticed one thing, जो volatility वही वो रेंज में रही, जैसे हमने कल बात की थी, आज मॉर्निंग में भी हमने रिट्रेटेड किया था. देखिए मार्केट में वॉलिटिलिटी तो है, आप अपने लेवल्स टू लेवल्स ट्रेड करो. अगर आप देखने जाए तो निफ्टी 180 लोन लोकेशन के पास आया था, and from there you had a nice good move. How many of you noticed this? Give me either a yes or a no. देखते कितने जन को याद है. कमलेश जी, इट केम लो ऑन लोकेशन. यस. सो ये जो मार्केट है ना, आप ट्रेंड नहीं ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आप लेवल्स ट्रेड कर रहे हो. So your plan has to be based on volatility and the spikes which a volatility give you periodically. So before we start, let me read out the disclaimer. This is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Let's see what the trend for market is. It's very much sideways candle pattern today. लग रहा है आज hammer बना है. Resistance support known है averages के पास. Technical setup nothing much to study about. It's just a flag जिसको हम relevance दे रहे हैं. Open interest just expiry खत्म हुई. We'll have to give some more time for the OI to build up. So based on that, let's go and check the price charts. सबसे पहले मैं तो रिलायंस भी आज देख रहा था. So overall predictable market था. देखिए what happened yesterday in bank nifty. Screen is off. No, my screen is on, Venkat. I can see myself. Okay. Yeah, some lag रहता है इसमें. See what happened in bank nifty yesterday, today happened in nifty. So अगर आप पूछते हो कल क्या हुआ था बैंक निफ्टी में, कल बैंक निफ्टी ने 200 एक्सपोनेंशियल तोड़ा और एक शार्प डिप आई. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नोटिस दिस? And again it recovered. Same way, अगर आप निफ्टी में देखो आज, it repeated what bank nifty did yesterday. Keep all these things in mind, friends, otherwise tough to trade this markets. Sorry. It was the exponential. We are following both, अगर आपको याद हो तो. और मैं मार्क करके बैठा था मॉर्निंग में. And I made you also mark in the morning, if you can remember. So what bank nifty? This was the exponential. Like bank nifty broke yesterday, this broke today. ये जैसे खुला, first tick in the open, it took some support around the average. After that, finally it broke and came down. Did you anybody see this? यहाँ पे आपका 200 दिन का एवरेज था, तो long short trade was there. How many of you noticed this? I had pointed out कि अगर कभी भी if your higher time frame studies are running across your intraday price chart, drop a line there. Those are decision making. Kamlesh says yes. Abhijit says yes. What about you, Venkat, Shabaki, Najib, Darshan? देखिए, these are the small things you have to follow, which will give you confidence to trade. Yes, Venkat, you did not follow. Shabaki, I said in the morning only, na. And ultimately, हुआ क्या? See what happened. Again, what index did it? It gave a pullback towards the 200 DMA. Morning में थोड़ा नीचे आया and it came. Yeah, channel was there, no doubt about it. So that's Nifty, what we had seen. Now let's go to the daily price charts. अगर daily chart पे हम Nifty के जाते हैं, so again one thing everybody remembered is the rule of equality, which means that this decline was from here to here, 358 points. Then you made a high. High is always made by a positive close. So rule of equality was also achieved. How many of you noticed this? आप सब कुछ भूल रहे हो, friends. See, here we are there to discuss, share knowledge, make a community of trading titan like-minded people stronger and bigger. How many of you remember rule of equality? A equals to C. Or you all forgot? The first decline was the A leg. ABC we are following on a regular basis. Remember, Kamlesh? Okay. A, this positive close was B, and the dip down was a C. As simple as that. And what the rule says? I wouldn't call it rules. Guidelines क्या बोलते? A equals to C. Venkat, whatever you have learned, you have to apply. You are a trader, Venkat. Fine. So market moves on expected line. It has not created any elements of surprise. Plus, this whole move is now channelized. इसको मैं bullish flag बोलूंगा. This is a bullish flag. Do you all remember what we again watched yesterday? The moment this low will break, it happened today. Below 200 DM, market will come down to low of the channel. How many of you remember this part? Let me see. I'll wait for somebody to say yes. He remembers or no, he doesn't remember. Yes, fine. So nothing, कुछ भी untoward नहीं हो रहा market में. Volatility से घबराओ मत. Volatility is your part and parcel of day-to-day trading. As a trader, you don't have luxury. जो भाव में लिया उसके बाद भाव नीचे ही नहीं आया target है. It doesn't happen that way. Sanjay says yes. Okay, Sanjay. Now what next? Now what next comes the again the Bollinger Band. The middle band is over here. It touched the Bollinger Bands. तो मिडिल बैंड का रिट्रेसमेंट हो चुका है. 200 डे का विल इट whipsaw? देखिए अभी क्या होगा. स्टिल वी आर नॉट आउट ऑफ दिस फ्लैग. सो ऑन द अपसाइड 24,532 100 पॉइंट ऊपर एक रेजिस्टेंस है. क्या मार्केट ये फ्लैग ब्रेक करके एक रैली जोर से देगा? और इट विल जस्ट सी इट हैपेंड प्रीवियसली ऑल्सो. It broke this over here, gave a uptake and again down. So all we are trading is a sideways market. Pick up days where you think chalo market गिर रहा है, गिरने दो. From here on we should see a decline. It's this sort of a market. यहाँ पे momentum दो से तीन दिन से ज्यादा का momentum खोजो भी मत market में. Right? Every move is maturing within 3 to 4 days. So this is a bullish flag which has formed in Nifty, not given a confirmation of a breakout. So based on this, always remember one thing. Whenever you have an ABC, please note it down in your trading diary, journal, wherever you write down notes. See, whenever you have ABC, fine, there might be a pattern which is a breakout, but the B high always acts as a resistance. Got it now? Why do we mark ABC? So this is how the market is. So what we have taken into account price patterns and price pattern. The price pattern was A equals to C, and then the chart pattern is a bullish flag. So still we are not going to go away anywhere. So Venkat says one basic question while trading, we should use futures Nifty chart or spot. See, if you are trading futures, use futures chart, but always the spot is underlying if you are trading options. Got it, Venkat? So now this is where the resistance is. And can we treat today's hammer as a support? Yes, it's a hammer, and yes, it's a support. तो आज का जो कैंडल लो है वो हैमर है, which is a bullish reversal pattern. But it's an indication of a bullish reversal. Steve Nissen or any candlestick expert have said candlestick needs confirmation. Candlestick don't show, it shows okay from here it's reversal. Now you confirm with other team. So I use candlestick as an additional confirmatory tool, not as a leading indicator. Got it, everybody? So this is how Nifty is right now. एटलीस्ट अभी तक ऐसा लग रहा था यहाँ ये भी टूट जाएगा, ये भी टूट जाएगा, यहाँ तक क्या गैप भरने आएगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. एटलीस्ट नाउ वी नो ऑन डिप्स और डिक्लाइंस वी आर फाइंडिंग बाइंग प्रेशर. स्टिल मार्केट इज नॉट इन दिस मोड. अभी भी देखिए अपस्विंग नहीं है, रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, वी आर स्टिल इन अ we are in a downswing, but this downswing has taken a shape of a wild consolidation. अगर फ्लैग या कोई भी स्लैंटिंग पैटर्न बनती है ना, तो आप बोलोगे भाई कंसोलिडेशन कैसे हुआ, रोज नया भाव दिखता. बट ये जो कंसोलिडेशन है वो लो टेस्ट कर करके कंसोलिडेट करता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द कंसोलिडेशन पैटर्न. सो विल वेट फॉर अ ब्रेकआउट और टिल दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम just trade the flag. The boundaries are known for you, and if the boundaries are known for you, the depth of this flag is how much? 1.22%. Got it, everybody? Today we had a good attendance. I can see, I think 36, 46, I don't know. But likes I don't have, and nobody's putting comments. That's my complaint from you all trading titans. After that, let's go to Bank Nifty. बैंक निफ्टी वॉज रिलेटिवली स्ट्रॉन्गर निफ्टी से आज स्ट्रॉन्ग था. वाई? बिकॉज वो खुलते ही एक तेजी दिया, उसने लो नहीं बनाया इंट्राडे में. और देखिए पैटर्न तो यहाँ पे भी सेम है. इट्स अ फ्लैग. गॉट इट? निफ्टी ने जो कल दिखा कल बैंक निफ्टी ने जो पैटर्न yesterday showed flag, निफ्टी has shown today. तो can we say tomorrow निफ्टी should follow on the upside? Let's see. देखिए बैंक निफ्टी टुडे yesterday showed hammer, today rallied. Nifty have today show hammer. Let's see whether tomorrow we have an uptick or again a sideways consolidation. So bank nifty has given a flag breakout. It's close to a breakout from a flag. That's why मैंने बोला था ये कंसोलिडेशन में ध्यान आप, यू डोंट से आई एम अ बेयर, आई एम अ बुल. ट्रेड लेवल्स टू लेवल्स. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर, हम लोग बहुत दिन से बोल रहे, ये जो कंसोलिडेशन का बेस रहता है ना, इतना इजी नहीं है टूटना. अगेन टुडे आल्सो इट केम देयर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर फॉलोइंग ऑल दिस रूल्स? Venkat, hammer shows bottom has been, it's a bottoming process. Hammer, it hammers out a bottom. Venkat, now you'll have to work little bit hard. As I said, I can give you the foundational knowledge and the understanding. Put Bank Nifty as your this thing and see what Nifty does tomorrow. Fine. So here we are studying a textbook and not the question banks. Fine. So textbooks are tough, laborious, time consuming. Venkat, that's how these sessions are. No ready-made stuff. I just give you enough foundational knowledge. From there you work upon. Otherwise you'll not enjoy your trading. Right? You'll not enjoy your trading till you are not in control, and if you are not a decision maker. I want you to be the key decision maker. My inputs are just like some tidbits out there which I share from my experience. So that's Bank Nifty, friends. Again, in Bank Nifty, you have to plot your averages, both the averages, 200 DMA and C. And if you remember, we had done in top-down approach, and I am telling you daily about it. I don't know how many of you can remember Nifty PSU banks. How many of you remember Nifty PSU banks? I think my net is giving some trouble. NIFTY PS. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. So Nifty PSU bank, how many of you remember, friends? So before I end, I think my net is giving some trouble. Yeah, is there Mr. Ashish? Yes. Abhijit, these are all honestly guessworks. Just trade the price pattern. कुछ decide मत करो. So tomorrow I'm having the session with Ashish Kyal. He's a great guy, a practitioner of Elliott Wave, the Neo Wave approach, and very well followed, very well structured, very well. He has got his own swing plans. He has setups and a very learned personality in context of swing trading. So the topic is think like a professional trader with Ashish Kayal. So if you have not registered, please register for this session. It's from tomorrow. It's for tomorrow from 4:30 onwards. I'm just giving you the links. The link is there in the chat, top chat. So those who have not registered, do register. And if you want any question to be asked to Ashish, do let me know. I'll ask the questions on your behalf. Okay. Registered? Okay. So Shabaki and all the participants out there, you can forward the link to your friends or somebody whom you know is really serious in trading, want to learn things and sharpen his skill. And that's what these sessions are all about, building a community of trading titans. So on that note, thanks from my side. We'll again meet tomorrow at 8:45 in the morning. My one complaint is you that you are not spreading the word about this session, because we are that same group, right? So make sure you post about this session, write a word, let others know that we are trying to build a community of trading titans for the traders by the traders. Okay. So that's all from my side. Thanks. Have a nice day.